Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for this turmeric rice, aka saffron rice as we would say in Trinidad. And to make this, I'm going to be using Caribbean Dreams instant turmeric tea to create this delicious recipe. So join me, let me show you how easy this one is to make. Thank you to my sponsor Amco for sponsoring today's video. Find all of these amazing products at leading supermarkets in Trinidad and Tobago. Let's jump straight into this recipe. It's going to be so easy to put together. In a skillet, we're going to add in butter on a medium heat, and I'm using unsalted butter here. Once melted, go in with aromatics, onions and pimento peppers, season with salt and black pepper. And allow this to saute until translucent and very fragrant. Once it looks like this, we're going to add in next our peas and carrots. I'm going to allow the peas and carrots to cook for around 2 minutes. So give that a mix. I like my veggies a little tender crisp, so cook it the length of time you would like depending on how you like your veggies. I'm going to go in with 2 packs of this Caribbean Dreams instant turmeric tea. This has some ginger in it, so it's going to give this rice a really beautiful flavor. Now I used 2 packs, but if you wanted to use 1 or maybe more, feel free to. And we're just going to let this saute in here for about a minute. And you'll see that yellow starting to come through. You see it right there? Now it's time to add our day-old rice. I'm using jasmine rice here, but feel free to use basmati or regular white rice, whatever you have on hand. In goes some chopped curly parsley or flat leaf, whatever you have. Give this a mix, taste and adjust your salt, and then all you have to do is serve with your favorite protein. How simple, easy, and delicious does this look? I went ahead and served it with some chicken tikka masala that I had left over, and it was a quick and easy meal. I hope you all enjoyed today's simple and easy rice recipe. Thank you all so much for joining me. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and if you have any requests for future videos, leave them in the comment section. Thank you for joining me. Thank you to Amco for sponsoring today's episode, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.